Hello grade 4. Today we will cover how to create animation using PowerPoint. To start, open PowerPoint and choose blank presentation. Now, from the layout menu, I need you to select blank layout. So I need a clean screen, nothing inside it. Then we will insert a walking character or avatar by clicking the Insert tab at the top. We go to Insert tab, then click Online Picture. In the search bar, write GIF horse. Means GIF interchange format, graphic interchange format, which is animated picture. We need to make animation today, so we need to insert animated horse. Then we click enter, uncheck this to see better results, and as you see we have many horses. Select this one or anyone that you want, then click insert. Now we just insert our horse. Let's see the horse running by the viewing side. You see the view side here, slideshow. Click on it. You will see the horse is running because this picture is animated picture. Now, but it's not moving from one place to another. How to do this? Click escape. Then I will need you to move this to the left. Okay. Now, how to make animation? We have many ways to do this. So either you duplicate the slide by right click on the thumbnail here and choose duplicate, then move the horse to the right a little bit. Repeat this step, which is duplicate and move, duplicate, slide and move, duplicate, slide and move, duplicate, slide and move. Okay, now we are done. Let's see this animation. We click at the first slide, then you view this slideshow by clicking the slideshow. It's not moving, right? It's only running in its place. We can move it by clicking on the space bar. Okay, now what is the other ways for doing animation? I need to undo our work that we did by going to the undo button here at the top, or Control Z. Now let's do this by click the menu here or the character, then choose animation tab, move the horse to the right, then choose fly in. But it's fly in from bottom to top. How to choose the direction? We go to effect option and we choose from this menu from the left. The character is moving so fast, I need to change the duration to make it slower. How? By change the time here, let's say change it to 5 seconds. Let's view this slideshow again by going to this, click any place. Now you are seeing the horse running from one side to another. Now, the other way to do that, I will undo my work. Now, in animation tab, you will find in this animation styles, click this arrow, choose motion path, go to custom path, and write your path that you want. Then stop it by double click. You will see the horse again is moving from one side to another. You also can change the duration, you can change the direction, and so on. Okay guys, now this is for today. Thank you for listening and hope you are enjoying it. Stay safe.